Jose, Sales Internet Manager here at Toyota of Melbourne. Just a little quick video to introduce myself, also to show you the vehicle that you inquired about. Hope you like it. Much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, here at Toyota of Melbourne, once you buy a new vehicle, you get a lifetime warranty on your powertrain, also 2 years worth of maintenance, factory floor mats, and also nitrogens in the tires. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 321-254-8888, extension 363. Thank you. Have a great day.